Hi, this is Robin Adrian from the Cocoa Daisy Memory Keeping Design Team, here today to show you a few pages that I am creating in an album that about an all-girls week in the Outer Banks in 2012 for my birthday. So I'm using the Lemon Grove kit for this album, and I'm also using this Life Crafted album from Citrus Kits that's a TN size. Sorry for all the dog hair. And in here you can see that I have cut down the Cocoa Daisy Traveler's Notebook kit. And in fact, I already have a spread in here that came in the Lemon Grove kit. It didn't take much time. I pulled it apart and I just had to cut it a little bit to fit into these pages. And I just love this idea for a special album, for the special album that I'm making. I used the pocket kit, the Traveler's Notebook kit, the planner kit, and the classified memory keeping kit to create some of the things that you're going to see in this video. So first things first is I took this ribbon from the classified kit and I attached it to this top pocket, and I used a little bit of this slim red line tape to make sure that it didn't come off. Now this was sticky to begin with, but the red line tape really holds things on for a very long time. It's really nice. And I'm actually using the Lemon Grove card from the kit, and I put the ribbon in a strategic place so that you can't see the words Lemon Grove, because I just love this card so much and I just wanted it to be at the beginning of my album. And so you can see that was pretty simple. And then underneath here I wanted to do I used this card from the pocket kit. See, the other side is about being sour, but nothing was sour. There was one thing that was sour that week, but I don't know if I'll be talking about that or not. It was a beached whale that was sick. But anyway, I wanted to use this card to pull out the green up here. Even though I'm a blue girl, I really liked it. And I was trying to decide if I wanted to set this journaling like this and use this beach therapy tag that I made, which won't go to waste, or if I wanted to pull this down a little bit and use some of the die cuts, which I like to call ephemera, from the planner kits on here. And so, you know, I really like that too, so I was very much torn about this. And the other thing I thought about was outlining this with this card with this marker, which would make this really fun and less formal. And I wasn't sure about that. I actually did this as a sample right here so that you can see. And again, I'm not sure if I want to do this like this, outlined, which I really kind of like, honestly, so I just might go with this. The only thing is that I wish that I had a navy blue pen, and I probably do somewhere, but I like this pen from Allie Edwards. It really does a great job of outlining. And so if I outline this, then I would do the same thing on this card that's going to be on the other side that really talks about the introduction to the week. And so again, I really like that, but you know, I'm a clean kind of girl, so I also like just like it like this as well. And yep, I think I'm going to go with that. So next time you see me posting about the album, you'll see this page as it came together and what it looks like. Then on the other side, again, I'm just going to put this journaling on here. And then I'm going to use this squee card, which I just adore, from the pocket kit. I think that's going to just be absolutely cute together. And then I made this page already in advance using the washi tape from the classified kit. I just love it. I love the blue foil on here, and really these kit colors are just adorable, especially for something that's a little bit more around the beach. Even though this was in April and it wasn't as warm as, you know, to go and lay out on the beach every day, I love this whole happy idea with these colors because it was a fantastic happy week for us. And so what I did was I took a yellow tag from the classified kit, and I took the wood veneer called Sun and Fun from the TN kit and a stamp. And so I stamped this on here to say enjoy the sun and fun. And then I just made this little washi tape ribbon up here. And I'm just going to tape this on here just like this. And in fact, I've already got some red tape back here. So the reason why I'm doing the red tape is because I'm sticking it to the, I'm having a hard time getting this off. I'm sticking it to the washi tape, and I want to make sure that nothing interfered with the adhesive making it come off. And sometimes the roller adhesives and so I have this roller adhesive that I use a lot, or this liquid glue doesn't necessarily keep it the same way that the red line tape does. And so I'm just going to center this on here like this. And voila. I'm done. I think that's pretty cute, don't you? So this is really the introduction to my album. And I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit about my thought process. And again, you know, I could outline this card, which I did a sample of right here. And I could put this in here like this, but I really don't know if I'm going to go with that or the really clean look. And because I really like clean, you can bet that you're going to see the clean look when I post this on Instagram. All right. So again, just wanted to share a couple tips with you, and I'll be back again to show you some other things later on this week. Thanks.